What's going on, everybody? Today we're at the Flamingo. I'm gonna do a room tour of the new Flamingo Room, room 2161. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is supposed to be a renovated version of the old Fab rooms. So we'll start here. To the right is the closet. So you've got ironing board, and then on this side you've got some hangers, some storage drawers, and your cups and ice bucket. And then to this side should be the bathroom. It is the bathroom, so you've got a completely remodeled bathroom from the old Fab rooms. Updated countertops, really nice bright mirror. So people who need a lot of lighting, you'll definitely get that in this room. And then you've got the standing shower. These have been remodeled as well. Got some dispensers for your shower needs. Pretty nice update to the standing shower. Then we'll go check out the main part of the room. And here you have a full body mirror. So if you need to get a full body view, you got it. And the biggest notice is there's carpet in here compared to the hardwood floor from the old Fab rooms, in case you haven't seen that video. And here's the 2 queen beds. So you got a new wall background, throwing a couple Flamingo photos up here as well. And then on this side you have a desk area, so if you need some space to do some work, it's available here. Here you've got some USB charging and extra outlets if you need those. Got a flat screen TV. Then down here we've got a refrigerator, so if you need to keep things cold, there's a fridge. And then there's also your safe here, so if you need to lock things up securely, you've got that there. And you've got a chair here and a bright light to brighten up the room. And then the floor to ceiling windows. So this view is pretty much just the city view. It's not the high roller view, but these are your views, so you get to see the Flamingo on the other side. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.